Welcome to the world of renewable energy, where the innovative technology utilizes the power of sun, which is abundantly and freely available. The paradigm shift in the customer's preference towards the renewable energy has led to a surge in demand for solar systems. So, if you're considering installing a rooftop solar power system for your apartment or a common utility, that's a great idea. Not only can it help reduce your electricity bills, but it also is a fantastic way to contribute to a sustainable future. Here is the detailed information regarding the various types of solar power systems, differentiating the features of features and limitations of off-grid, on-grid, and hybrid inverters. Today, we are going to explore the differences of off-grid, on-grid, and hybrid solar installations. Each type has a unique feature, advantages, and limitations, which we will discuss in detail. First of all, we'll go to the off-grid inverters where it requires a battery, solar panels, structure, wiring, DCDB, ACDB box, and the load and the net metering. The off-grid inverters are also known as standalone inverters and are designed for remote locations or areas with frequent power outages. They operate independently of the grid. It means it doesn't require any APS-CB or grid connection and provide power directly to the load. The features of inverters provide complete autonomy of the grid. They can provide backup power during grid outages. Off-grid inverters can be used in various applications including remote homes, cabins, and roaming vehicles. The limitations. Off-grid inverters are typically more expensive than the on-grid inverters. Off-grid inverters require battery banks to store excessive energy. Off-grid inverters are designed for smaller systems and may not be suitable for larger applications. Now coming to the on-grid inverters, which is more popular by the name of PM Surya Ghar Muft Bijili Yojana. On-grid inverters are also known as grid tie inverters, are designed to operate in conjunction with the grid. They feed excess energy back to the grid and provide power to the load during the day. The various features of the on-grid inverters. On-grid inverters synchronize with the grid frequency and voltage. They can provide net metering, allowing to sell the excess energy back to the grid. On-grid inverters are typically less expensive than the off-grid inverters. On-grid inverters require a stable grid connection to operate. They do not provide power backup during the grid outages, stringent regulations. On-grid inverters must comply with strict grid connection regulations. Hybrid inverters combine the benefits of off-grid and on-grid inverters. That's the magic of the hybrid. They can operate in both grid tie and off-grid modes, providing backup power during the outages and feeding excess energy back to the grid. This is a special feature of the hybrid inverters. The features available in this hybrid inverters offer flexibility in operation, allowing you to switch between off-grid and on-grid modes. They provide backup during the grid outages. Whenever there is a power failure or power breakdown, it works on the battery. Hybrid inverters can synchronize with the grid frequency and voltage. The various limitations. Hybrid inverters are typically more expensive than the on-grid inverters. Hybrid inverters requires more complex system design and installation. Hybrid inverters require a battery bank to store excess energy. Finally, each type of solar inverter has its unique feature, advantage, and limitations. Off-grid inverters provide autonomy and backup power, while on-grid inverters offer grid synchronization and net metering. The hybrid inverters combine the benefits of both, providing flexibility and backup power. When choosing a solar system or an inverter, consider your specific energy needs, budget, and system requirements to select the most suitable option. The PM Surya Ghar Muft Bijili Yojana is applicable for on-grid solar power system. We hope you found this video informative and helpful. If you find or have any questions or need further assistance, please do not hesitate to contact Dolphin Coverage Solutions at 98491 21028.